for you. It's gonna be so exciting. Got this feeling really deep in my soul. Let's get it, I wanna go. Come along, get it on. I'm gonna take my car. Do you like my car? Got so crazy, do you like it? I wanna race for you. Shall I go now?
Yeah.
I'm gonna step on the gas. And be a lover. I'll be so quick as a flash. I'll be your hero. I'm gonna run as a flash to be the winner. I'm gonna step on the gas. Be sure. When you say
But now we can push out yeah. So we need pushing out it already. So we could do from young Game 2. Please order the one you have one. if you live and make merry, all the stars they won't let go, all the seeds they won't let grow. So live and make merry. Stars they will not shine, even after all this time. So live and make merry. I don't know why.
There you go, this begs for more. Should have left him at the door. The fall will leave you hanging. Would you ever lay this down or knock it to the ground? I will never make a sound. If you live and make merry, all the stars they would not glow, all the seeds they would not grow. So live and make merry. All the stars they will not shine, even after all this time. So live and make merry. So what if we can't laugh now? So what if this is just hush money? What if all the walls just lay down and They have everything for your mental joy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, are you listening to me? I said, young man, what do you wanna be? I tell you, young man, you can make all your dreams, but you got to know this one thing. No man does it all by himself. I said, young man, put your pride on the shelf and just go there to the YMCA. I'm sure they can help you today. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for your mental joy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man, I was once in your shoes. I said I was down and out with the blues. I felt no man cared if I were alive. I felt the whole world was so tired. That's when someone came up to me and said, young man, take a walk up the street. It's a place there called the YMCA. They can start you back on your way. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. They have everything for your mental joy. You can hang out with all the boys. YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Young man, there's no need to feel down. Young man, pick yourself off the ground.
What's up, guys?
Listening to me. Young man, what do you wanna be? YMCA. You'll find it at the YMCA.
Yeah, I want to know
Young man,
why.
young man,
What?
put your pride on the shelf
I need order tablet.
and just
Wait, what?
to the YMCA.
Yeah. Yes, I got
Young man, I was once in your shoes.
D. No. What? Wait, what? No, stop it. No. Why am I okay? Alright, so my friend, we would have to respond and got food. I got food. Yeah. No. Say I.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine.
that was not.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?